Hey, I'm NASA Kennedy's Madison Tuttle, taking you inside KSC. Ignition and liftoff. A United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket launched March 1st, carrying NOAA's GOES-S spacecraft into orbit. GOES-S stands for Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite, and it's the second in a series of 4 advanced weather satellites. Launch took place at Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. This was the first launch of the year for NASA's Launch Services program based at Kennedy, which managed the launch service for GOES-S. The walkway and clean room that will allow astronauts into the Orion spacecraft on launch day is now in place on the mobile launcher. The Orion Crew Access Arm was lifted and carefully installed about 274 feet up. It's a significant milestone for NASA as the agency prepares for the launch of Orion atop the Space Launch System rocket on Exploration Mission 1. Even though there will be no crew on EM1, the Crew Access Arm provides a bridge to Orion for personnel and equipment entering the spacecraft. And remember, Spaceport Magazine digs deeper inside KSC.